Hi. Okay. Yes, Vishal. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, Mir Baba. Okay, Rutu. Hi. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Oh, baby. Nice. Nice. Hi. 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 Okay. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Guys, hello. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. Let me see. Welcome. Okay, yes. Good. 17. Okay, guys, let me just start with a session for introduction. Why we started, I'm just take 2 minutes of yours. So the thing is that what we are going to do, we are going to share memories of your unusual travel, trek, or your adventure sports, as we are mountaineers and we shouldn't have those touristy kind of memories, but some unusual things, which I was talking with some people in the afternoon, then morning I was talking to B at this one. So, okay. Okay, so I'm going to send a request to my founder members who founded these Taimulan Trekkers about long time back, 1995, I think so. Yeah, 1995. So I'll just revive those memories. So let me just send them invite to them. No, sorry. Cash. Cash. Hi, Cash. Are you there? Hi. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, hi. Hi, you are there? क्या सोके क्या देखा हाँ अरे हॉरिजॉन्टल स्किल ले क्या हुआ हॉरिजॉन्टल स्किल ओ नहीं तो मेरे को लगा अभी तो नींद में ही है हाँ so good morning guys that's Cash and that's किधर गई हाँ and that's Shrifa hi guys hi so गिर गया कैश टेक में गिरता है इधर मत गिर हाँ अरे एक मिनट हाँ सॉरी या एडजस्टमेंट adjusted oh hi guys hi newcomers hi sorry about that hi planning was to everyone is you other way around yeah बिचारा कैमरा फिक्स कर and come and join the session हाँ oh Amit is also saying hi Salil also saying hi Purbi yes कैश हो गया तेरा या ओके सो दोनों जरा साथ में हो ना जैसे शादी ओके जैसे शादी के सामने थे आजू बाजू में थे वैसे हो ना हाँ ओके hi everyone is saying hi okay the thing is that see Taimulan Trekkers we formed about in 1995 and these are the two criminals with me who founded this group with me so this is all about our journey first we are talking about our journey how we founded and how we met and everything so Cash that's Cash and he started treks in 1993 he started treks in 93 and in college also he has done some treks so 93 it's about how many years back Cash about
26
of
years.
fish. 27 years back of fish. That's quite quite a long time back. When many of our new young members were like kind of just born, or that or that way I can say. So 28 years actually. 27 years. Yeah. So that's Cash, and he is along with mountaineering. He has done some climbs, and he has done many Himalayan treks. Then right now he is in Canada. Both of them are in Canada. He's doing canoeing. If I'm correct me if I'm wrong in my pronunciation. Canoeing.
Yeah.
Tell about canoeing a little bit. In a little bit, what is canoeing? I'm not following that sport. So he does canoeing, then cycling in Canada. He sometimes comes here, like once in 4 years or 5 years, whenever he gets time. He makes it a point to visit Sahyadris. So now we can see, and that's a Chef Ali. That's his wife. So they met through our Taimulang, what you call, Vivaha Mandal or marriage bureau. So that was a marriage bureau. That's the second part. That's a separate part of Taimulan Trekkers, because many people got married. Many people got like paired up in Taimulan Trekkers, got married. So that's Chef Ali. So Chef Ali has started in almost that time, 1993, right, Chef Ali?
Yeah, a bit earlier. My first trek was around 79, but the college trek started around 79, and then the 93 is when we started.
Yeah.
Okay. That time in college, you had done treks with your college group and done some nice climbs, Hadbichi Shandi and all. That's what someone told me about.
Yeah.
So that you had done, and that was start of a trek. And do you remember, Cash, when we met, or Shifa, for that matter?
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can recall me.
I remember when I met you. That was we
Yeah.
used to go with some other group's trek at the time. It was
Okay.
Hajimalankauli trek, and you were talking about Neem all along the way.
Neem,
And I was following behind you and listening to that talk.
Yeah.
We had that trek memorable because we got a free ride till the base of the trek, and
Okay.
the conductor came in the auto asking for money later on.
Oh, Shefa, sorry, but don't talk about those kind of memories because people will say, अरे इसको अभी भी आदत है बात करने की. वो आप तभी बात करने की आदत थी, अभी भी बात करने की आदत है. So people will talk about that. So it's long memory. कुत्ते की धूम है. वो टेढ़ी होती है.
Each trek has its own memory assigned to it, right? So yeah.
शेफा तेरा आवाज कम आ रहा है. कोई बोल रहा है.
Oh, okay. How is it now?
थोड़ा सा आ गया. When you are talking just in front, yeah.
Okay. So yeah. So when
we met after that. So I think so. Cash. When did you join us? When you met?
Yeah. So 93 का इसमें the second one YHI का we did Haji ये अपना
Haji
Mauli का trek. That's when I met you guys.
Oh, that's a trek which we can't forget.
Yeah.
That was a trek when everything went like kind of not. You shouldn't do it, and it happened.
Yeah.
Everything will happen. Like this generation mountaineers, they get lost on a trek. Some accidents happen. So everything happened
everything
that night.
can go wrong went wrong that day.
Yes. So I do remember that a couple of you were lost, and then while finding a way, while going up, and then you people managed to come down, and then we didn't know where you were, right? Just tell us about it.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
When we came down at the end, we thought our group will be waiting for us. We asked the villagers, and they say, "Oh, a group of 5-6 people, they just left to the station." And we were wondering, how come you guys left us? But we didn't had a tray, a sack or light or anything, so we can't see where our foot is, like where we are stepping where our foot is getting into. All we could see is the Asinga station lights, and we continued walking towards the end. But we
Sorry, Amit is saying.
Behind us.
Sorry to cut you short, but Amit is saying hi to you. Yeah, Amit is there. See, he's also old friend of ours. Yeah, hi. So now I realize that these villagers told you that we have left. We are under impression you had left earlier.
Yeah.
You had left. We were not following you. Oh, after what? 28 years, the truth came out. Oh, okay. And Cash, can you recall how it came? Oh, गिरा हुआ सब्जी किधर फेंका हुआ था? We washed and everything.
Yes.
And, remember that? And I do remember that, looking at the temple light and walking straight towards it, because we didn't have any torch, and we couldn't see, and there were 9 of us, and we were walking down. It was an amazing experience. So that's when we met. And Cash, do you remember when we started, then we started going too often, then we got connected, then we found out, then we got more people. Cash, can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, sure. So the group which we used to go before, so उनका trek कम होते गया धीरे धीरे, तो हम लोग बोला कि हम लोग को we should do more, especially during the monsoon season, waterfalls and all the beauty, how the greenery becomes on the Sahyadri, it's so wonderful. So हम लोग बोला कि we should do more of these treks, and हम लोग फिर regularly जाने लग गया 94 में, I think. And that's when we said, we should, and 3 of us started going, doing that, and we used to coordinate. Those days, mobile phones nahi tha, sirf landlines tha. We would do a schedule for the month, and kaun sa treks karne wala hai, and we would actually post it by mail. Yeah, I don't know, but do you remember it? Yeah. So हम लोग
and there were no mobiles. How do we coordinate? We don't know. Whoever comes, Allah जाने कौन आता है, पता नहीं. जो सामने दिखा प्लेटफॉर्म पे, that's what the participant number are, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
carry for 10-15 people, and the end going 3 or 4 people.
Hey, by the way, this female has joined us. This lady has joined us. She's commenting a lot. Bubbly, shut up. Okay. Okay.
You guys were talking about Neem all the way to that Haji Malam Tawli trek.
Yeah, so those were 2 ladies who came. Those good-looking girls came with us, and we were saying, oh, good-looking babes. Okay, on trek. That's fine. That's good. So these were the 2 good-looking babes, Bubbly and Shifa. So that time we started going very often, right? And we are having those kind of post we used to send. So Sheetal is having that post. What we used to say, one of the posts. So we might put it on our Insta handle. So how we used to coordinate that time. और मेरे को याद है मेरे घर पे फोन भी नहीं था. मेरे ऑफिस में फोन आता था किसी का, अरे बंटी देखो ये करना, ट्रेक को जाना, चलो निकलते. And that's what we started. सबको फोन करो, किसी घर में ऑफिस में फोन करो, and we used to walk. We used to go to take this thing, last train, last Kajata, and we walk. So can you tell us more about it? Do you recall those memories?
Yeah. So but then we used to call, schedule भेजते थे पहले, and then we would call, तू Central Railways का, Central के जितने लोग थे उन लोगों को फोन करता था. मैं Western, I used to handle the Western portion, and then हम लोग फोन करते थे कौन आ रहा है कि नहीं, और last minute पे टांग दे हुए रहते थे बहुत लोग. So lot of treks us 3 have gone, and राशन रहता था हम लोग के पास 8-10 लोग का. We would carry that all the way. And मजा आता था.
So we started trekking, then many people joined us, like-minded people, and then slowly we decided to, okay, ये सब हो गया, अभी क्या करना है, next step क्या है. So we decided to form a group, right? Cash or Shifa, whoever.
I think we were practicing in
नीम के लिए तैयारी.
So Kane में rock climbing practice चल रहा था, and I was being told to वो हम लोग I think अभी भी करते होंगे सब लोग. People do it with everyone when you're trying to climb newly. They'll try to tell you, okay, hold with your left hand, right hand. Okay, now the third hand, and you get confused, which hand, what? And then somebody, when you say left or right, and I just showed which left or right, and I just fall off the whole face of the rock with my.
You also mine used to ask. I used to fall off. Yeah.
The foot.
So those were you.
So much, 1 foot in slipper and 1 foot in shoe, and I'm walking with unbalanced way. That's where somebody.
So you had done Neem in 1995 or 94? 93.
5.
95. That's a BMC, right? Or AMC?
Basic.
And later on you went for AMC.
Yeah. 98 for advance.
Yeah.
You two people. Like Bubbly and this one,
Yeah.
Bubbly and you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those were the days actually. People won't believe we had done NEEM at that time, about 25 years back. Oh, that reminds me. Okay, then when did we decided to form a group?
94, I think.
94, end of 94.
94, 95, somewhere in between.
Yeah.
Okay, and which was the trek we formed a group?
Kotligad, I think, yeah.
Oh,
With around 30 people, a big group.
30, 40
Yeah.
of them, I think. Yeah.
that time 30, 40 people used to join. That's a huge number, I can say. Am I right?
Yeah.
And coordinating with those many people like on a phone, and then like not picking up from everywhere like now used to do, like right now we are doing. So it was that kind of coordination which used to happen. So new people, kindly please acknowledge that. Please we are doing that. We used to do that kind of coordination without mobiles. So don't creep now. Don't creep now. The new team of TT. Yeah. Okay. So if you creep someone, if someone creeps, I'm going to give them bamboo, chepokal bamboo. So we decided at Kotligad to form the group. Am I right?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
after that we started trekking very often, like that many number of people. Am I right?
Yeah.
Almost every weekend.
And,
Every weekend or other weekend. See, one weekend,
yeah.
1 day trek, and alternate weekend, 2 day trek.
Oh my goodness. Oh, those many number of takes we did. So on an average, and that reminds me, 95 we formed a group, and today we are at 2020. That's what Silver Jubilee. Is it so?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Oh shit. That's a Silver Jubilee. Oh yeah. Okay, please show it. Please show it. Please show your T-shirt.
जरा दिखाता है, रुक.
ये टी-शर्ट से जो कभी इसमें नहीं आ गए, कभी रियलिटी में नहीं आए, ये लोग को दोनों को मिला है. मेरा टी-शर्ट नहीं मिला, इसके लिए आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग इट. So we'll call who has created this T-shirt in one of the session to recall how he has created and all. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So that was so these are the Silver Jubilee. So we must right now we are locked down and we can't go out. So guys, remember to join us for our 25th celebration. And this 25th celebration is not like party or something. It's like a kind of on a mountains we'll celebrate. Something we'll do. Something unusual. If you have any idea, let me know. किसको नहीं टी-शर्ट मिला? Okay, so let us know. Oh, you have anything different idea about how to celebrate this 25th year of Silver Jubilee year? So after that we kept going on. And any trek you remember, Shefali? Because Shefali or Cash, I remember Cash Bhimashankar trek, range trek we are doing, all two of us. Yeah, is it?
Lonavala Bhimashankar was one memorable trek with 5.
Shefali थोड़ा आ गया.
Okay, Lonavala Bhimashankar was
perfect.
the most. Yeah. So Lonavala Bhimashankar was one of of course each trek has its own, like Ratangad for the crab, which Ashu caught.
Oh yeah.
And then we tied it up at the door of the entrance of the cave, and it got loose itself, and we had to excavate
ran away.
the cave and see whether it is entered the cave or gone out.
Yeah.
We lost our dinner, but that's fine. That's the
Right.
largest crab I had ever seen, I guess, even in a restaurant.
And Cash, you remember our only two of us going for that Lonavala Bhimashankar and Dagbari cave? Do you remember that incident?
Yeah. Just a small thing about he likes papad. Okay. So Dagbari का ट्रैक में just the two of us were there. और ये किधर तो बाहर घूमने गया था, मैं केव में बैठ के पापड़ ये बना रहा था, तभी एक दूसरा ग्रुप आया. And then they said, oh, you have a big group, you are preparing dinner for something. मैं बोला, no, just the two of us. इतना सारा पापड़. मैं बोला, and then 10-12 पापड़ बनाया था, 1 या 2 मैंने खाया, बाकी पूरा बंटी.
So that was my operation, and we carried almost a ration for about 20-25 people for 2 days trip. And we didn't take any guide during those days. There were no route that those and we didn't. We used to keep our tracks at one place, run around, find the route, and come back. So those were the kind of so many these things we have done, right? Am I right?
Once we even couldn't reach the base, we had to stay on the plateau itself, and we had to miss the last train, and we were worried how our family will be at home worrying about us. But then they called each other and realized that if one person hasn't come, everybody hasn't come, then that means we had already told them to wait for the next day evening because we might miss the last train. But we wouldn't never know it actually happened on a plateau where we cannot go down. Because of the steep patch, we didn't have rope, we didn't wanted to take that risk, and we climbed back up to that village where somebody was going to take us down, but the guy was not in a good condition to take us down in the night, so we dropped that idea and went down the next day morning.
Which was that trek?
Alang tha lagta hai.
Oh, Alang.
Down from the other side.
Alang. Yeah, Alang. Yeah, I do remember. I do remember that trek also. When we came down, we were waiting for bus because those days we didn't have any bus or any private bus, and we were waiting for bus. And suddenly one bus came, ST bus came, and it didn't take us because there were a lot of it was loaded, and there were a couple of villagers on Sunday. He just walked off. That village guy चला गया. तो हम लोग ने बोला अभी क्या करना है, तो उसको पूछा तो बोलता ये लास्ट बस था दिन का. तो अब क्या करना है. So that was a walk for about how many 10 to 15 kilometers. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And we were like whole day, yesterday's whole day, and completely it was like kind of chaos over there, but still we managed. So many memories, so many treks. I think so we have done together. Sorry.
We didn't have bus planned as such. While coming back, we hitchhiked Harishandragarh. We hitchhiked a truck. We were sitting at the top of the truck, the one above the driver, and almost falling off on each side with the wind coming up.
I do remember while going to Alang also, we were sitting on the top, me and Cash, and it was a freezing night, bloody freezing night, and I have strong this thing about winter. So I can't sustain that. I'm not visiting these 2 days.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
ठंडी
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
सबका काकड़ी हो गया था हम लोग दोनों का. बाकी सब एकदम मस्त बैठे हैं. वो ट्रक का जिनका ये आ रहा है गरम ये हो रहा है, बाकी सब बैठे हैं. And the truck driver I think so came from airport and he was flying, completely flying. We could see bands going on in Kasara Ghat. And आणि आमच्या कपाळात गेल्या. That's the other thing. Okay, वरती बसल्यावर. So that's the way. Yeah.
So many memories here. So many memories. I know.
So this thing. So after that, many treks. I think so till when did you shift to Canada?
2004.
10 साल के बाद.
10 साल के बाद. 10 साल किया हम लोग.
10 years.
10 साल we trek together.
Yeah.
So 10 साल के बाद, then our trekking activity kind of slowed down, TT ka. So after that, you started trekking abroad. Like, can you tell us how many treks, which treks you have done, and which are the memorable ones?
We have been doing quite a lot. I mean, locally यहाँ पे Bruce Trail करके है. So it's 800 kilometers. So we have been doing it in sections. But what has happened is यहाँ पे mountains ज़्यादा नहीं है. Like, the highest mountain is like 1,200 feet karega. So no mountain.
So can you
province which we So
can you tell us something canoeing, because I am too interested in knowing that a little bit.
So I'm leading into that. So there are a lot of water bodies. There are like lakhs of lakes here, big lakes. Lakes मतलब अपना पवाई और इसका lake.
That's ocean only.
But fresh water lakes है. So we started like canoeing करने का ये किया. So one of my colleague at work, he introduced us, and we used to go.
Yeah, we used to go to Algonquin. There is
Algonquin karke it's a
nearby park where you have many lakes to go. Rent a canoe and go. So for 4 years we rented and went. And the end we realized that we liked it so much. Let's buy and do it on our own.
Yeah, so we bought our own canoe.
And so send us some pictures. We'll upload on this one. We'll upload on TT Insta. So send us some pictures. So it can be like people should know what we are doing, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
canoe
okay,
में
so-
just the difference. I mean, people would have seen it in kayaks as well. So canoe में कैसा रहता है? Instead of rowing backwards, हम लोग इंडिया में rowing boat रहता था ना. इसमें one person sits in the front and one at the back, and we move forward direction. So एक ही स्टाइल में रो रहता है, like, you know, and we change hands left and right. But एक आगे बैठता है, एक पीछे बैठता है, then we row. So that's the difference between rowboat and a canoe. So.
Oh, okay. Is it so? Okay, send us some pictures while canoeing and all.
Sure.
Canoeing. You also say canoeing, not canoeing. Canoeing is a Maharashtrian pronunciation, I think so.
Yeah.
Canoeing.
That's
Okay.
fine, yeah.
So which are the other activity?
Then we did Kilimanjaro in 2010. I think 2010
Okay.
September we did Kilimanjaro.
Okay.
Yeah, and then Machu Picchu किया maybe 2015 में. Yeah, and then yeah.
So Kilimanjaro is an exciting one, which I heard. I was going through the information when you told me, and it's I think so top African peak, right?
Yes.
Is it so? So can you tell us about that? Which country is it?
Yeah, sure. So it is the highest standing free mountain in the world, and it's a top peak of Africa. Yeah, on its own. It's just no other mountain range or anything. It's just one mountain on its own.
Oh, अकेला खड़ा है.
Akela,
Okay.
yeah.
Nice. Okay.
It's in Tanzania and Kenya के border पे हो, mainly in Tanzania, and some part of it is in Kenya. So beautiful experience. So for us, it was a long flight from Canada. So yeah, Canada to Amsterdam. Yeah.
Okay.
First
So which is the best village? Can you tell us more about it? Can you give us information? If someone is interested, they can ask you. If please give us.
Yeah. So as I said, so Amsterdam say we flew down to Kilimanjaro International Airport. It's a small airport, and the base village is Moshi. And वहाँ से then it's locally. You cannot do treks on your own. Like, you know, even if you're experienced, you have to kind of go through, because they have set it up that way, like in Nepal as well. Like, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
So
they should earn money. Locals to support locals. Yeah, that's right.
So our guided tour. So we had porters who would like kind of a luxury trek in the sense.
Okay. But that's why.
Yeah, Himalayan style. Like, you know, we would carry a small. They would carry the tents, food and everything. We don't have to worry about cooking and camping and all. They would set up the tents by the time we reach.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Rashmi, we will share photographs also Kilimanjaro.
Sure.
Kilimanjaro, canoeing, because we have all seen our activity, Sahyadri activity or Himalaya activity or cycling. So people are excited, people are interested in seeing your activities, because there should be more, and we'll share that. And Machu Picchu also, they are request. Share Machu Picchu photographs also.
You yourself has done varied activities, Rajesh.
Bunty, yeah.
Which one? Sorry.
I call him Bunty. Shefa calls him Rajesh. ये जितना एक ही बंदा है, उसके जितने अलग अलग करतूते हैं ना, इतना नाम उसका कम है. But
that's right, करतूते. Yeah.
So तेरा कुछ कम है क्या? By the time when I first started, तूने तो already तब तक नीम करके हुआ था. I know. फिर बाद में ट्रेकिंग तो करता ही था. फिर already mountaineering you would have gone कर रहा था तू. Then cycling. Remember Goa का trip, I couldn't join you guys. Missed that cycling.
But you joined later on. You joined Kanyakumari.
Then the Kerala wala was a fantastic experience. So वो किया. फिर तुम लोग skiing को गया था. जब भी मनाली में skiing को गया था, तू हितू बिंदु. That was also paragliding. हाँ, I remember. वैसे ही विरार के आगे किधर तो था ना? विरार में था. I had come with you, like तेरा photos लेता था, तभी gliders का मस्त. So
पैराग्लाइडिंग के बाद अभी डुबकी मारने चला गया नीचे.
So currently तू आजकल अंडमान में. क्या बात है यार.
So मराठी में कहावत है, we are there, जैस तरी काष्टी पाषाणी, we are there everywhere.
Exactly.
Right. So मराठी इंग्लिश सब मिक्स करके अभी नया हुआ मैंने ये बनाया. नया saying बनाया. So and can you tell us like this was a Kilimanjaro. One more loop you mentioned somewhere in Ecuador.
Recently.
Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, this was last year. Yeah, this was a fantastic experience.
And this is exactly like our Sahyadris. How to do a range trek in Sahyadri? It is exactly like that. There is no. I mean, we didn't have GPS. There is no Wi-Fi connection on the phone.
It was so remote. Yeah.
It's so remote. Language is completely out of question. They can't speak English. We can't understand anything in Spanish. We have some printed. Exactly the way we used to go with Trek Sahyadri, the book, open, see the route, and then go see the marking. In the same way, we had printouts of the route by 2-3 people who had already done, and then following that route. So you start around exactly at that same time in the morning. Otherwise, you will miss that. If you miss that morning bus, then you cannot start that trek.
अपना इंडिया जैसे ST बस अगर मिस हो गया, it is
बस से जाओ फिर पूरा ट्रैक में वो मैप मेजरमेंट देखे आई थिंक आई डिडंट मिस द स्कूल अरे स्कूल नहीं मिला ठीक है आगे जाके वो मिलता है क्या देख ये मिलता है क्या ग्राउंड मिलेगा क्या देख इट इज लाइक लिटरली बाय द ट्रेन गो बाय द बोलता है वैसा
Okay, someone is praising you. Someone is praising you. New underscore cam. He's saying that you tried skiing. So you tried skiing with them, and you are the motivator for all of them. Like kind of you ask them to do it, which I do it here. So Neev, we sometimes push people from top of the mountain also. So join us. So you can join us. But we don't let them fall. Someone is there at the bottom to catch you up. So don't worry. So guys, so any other memorable trek do you remember from our past? Any other?
Yeah.
I think so. We have done a lot.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
As I was saying, Lonavala Bhimashankar was the most memorable because we were 5 of us. You guys had done Recce already, so we believed that you know the route. We were supposed to reach the top of the mountain. There was another group of 5 people who thought that we know the route, so they followed us. At the end of it, on the ridge of
that was Harishchandragarh.
Lonavala Bhimashankar. And at the end of the day, we couldn't see the marker. It's a valley, right? It's both sides.
Right.
Lot of fog.
Fog so we couldn't see, and so we didn't take the risk. We said we will stay here. It's raining, so we arranged. We have just 5 carry mats. So we arranged the
carry mat.
The carry mats, the 5 carry mats, and people are sleeping head to foot, like one way and one other way. 10 people. Ground sheet was our.
ऊपर से ओढ़ के रखा था ground sheet, and it rained like crazy.
If somebody got up in between, the people at the end would go get water on their.
Okay. तेरे घर पे बकेट मार के मॉम उठाती नहीं रहेगी वहाँ पे ये मार के तुम लोग पानी मार के उठा
वही स्टोरी
था नेक्स्ट डे राशन मिक्स अप किया एक के पास वेजिटेबल्स है और एक के पास मैगी है फिर सब डाल के एक बड़ा कुछ तो बना दिया खाने के लिए
so Bubbly is saying that okay you guys motivated her as well साला तूने motivate किया and you are talking about we motivated so and yes a request has come people can send requests because it's a question answer time. We can, as far as possible, we can. So they are asking love story of yours on mountain.
Another session for that.
उसके लिए other session करें? दूसरा session करेंगे?
Another session for that.
Okay.
कहानी हो.
Okay, your friend is saying you should write on this thing. You should write a book about your stories, but I don't know.
Yeah, a lot of people have been telling her.
So you should write.
He was telling us when we started Kanu to write the stories because it's a different experience. Not many people done it in our community, so. But
that's what
it takes a lot of time and.
See, I'll tell you the difference between we mountaineers and after so many years I can say we mountaineers and we are about 5% of that niche crowd and 95% of other guys who doesn't come out on weekend to come out of their safety comfort zone from their beds. They only climb the bed. We climb a mountain on weekend. So we go out and we don't see mountain top from the base. We see mountain top from the top. And the view of this thing. So everyone wants to join. So that's what I'm saying. If we kind of continue writing something, short stories, that's enough for others to inspire. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
We should write. I started doing my travel journeys, but unfortunately, I didn't do it earlier because I wanted to I wanted to write about my treks as well. So I'm going to do that on my other treks because we got one more member who keeps on shooting videos on that, making up videos of we are planning to upload. We are going to request him share whatever is there, and we are going to request him to upload on TT Insta handle. So see, right now everything is at home. We can't do treks, and we are dreaming about mountains. So we are posting many pictures on TT. Okay, people are saying. Okay, hi. That's I think so. Sheetal's daughter. Because uncle मेरे को समझा आंटी अंकल मेरे को शीतल ने बोला रहता तो I would have. Okay.
She's the inspiration to start writing blogs because she has started writing really nice ones.
Sheetal, yeah.
Yeah, is it so?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So hi Vibhu. Hi. So these are some inspired stories. So guys, what we are planning to do, we are planning to take these sessions every Tuesdays and Thursdays and Sundays, so that you can share your unusual stories. And one of us are going to host, either me or whoever is free is going to host. Most likely I'll host. So we are going to host and listen to your travel stories. So why don't you guys share? Why don't you guys see till the time lockdown gets lifted, we are going to do this activity, and after lockdown also, when we are on the mountain, when we get because nowadays it's like a kind of it's a good network on mountains as well. So we are going to have a live session from mountain. Or next day also we are going to share our trek story on the next day. Like Saturday we normally trek. So Sunday we can have a live session with the group, whoever wants to join. So that way we can keep an interest, and whoever has missed the trek, that particular trek, they can live through. They can live through the trek. Though they have not attended because of some personal reason, but doesn't matter. So they can get that first-hand information, first-hand experience of ours. And believe me, our trek, I'm not kind of patting my back, but like I can say, our treks are interesting. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you. You said nowadays you get good range on the mountains as well. You remember we asked one of our friend to hold his mobile under the electrical wires and you'll get connected.
Oh yeah, he had a fascination. He had a fascination about what you call mobile. It was a new kind of gadget which had come in the market. And this guy came out. I won't name, otherwise he'll kill me. I don't want to embarrass him. So on the public platform, I don't know whether he's there or not. Okay. No, he's not there. I think so. He has missed it. So he was always with a mobile. Oh yeah, mobile everywhere to show off. And he came and we are going on a Vasota trek. And on a Vasota trek, he came out of Mail Express 10, which we got down at Sangli or Satara. And the one guy came out with a mobile. I asked the guy who brought him there, Guttu. I asked him, ये बंदा कौन है रे बाबा? So बोलता क्यों क्या हुआ? वो मोबाइल लेके घूम रहा है. मैं बोला बोलता मोबाइल लेके कहाँ पे? So we said, okay, this is a chance now to pull someone's leg. Or ragging stars there. Our people ragging stars there. So guys, that performance in bus and all is not a newfound activity. It's an old activity. Yeah.
Icebreaker.
Yeah.
So we continued our tradition. So we asked him to hold his stand in front next to the pole, electric pole, and we asked him to kind of touch his mobile to the electric pole, and he'll get a signal. And that guy, fish. That's the kind of people we used to get. But after that, he got kind of smart enough. He realized that he made a mistake. Then he started taking someone's catch. Okay. So any other tricks? Since we got a time and we can talk more about it. So any more any more memories you can share?
Oh, there are lots of them. We don't want to bore people with the.
It's not a boring. See, fishy. What is that? Okay. So it's not a boring. See, people. Okay, now tell me. The way I remember going to Mauli for nachaya nahi kisi ko, sorry. धन्ना इज आस्किंग नचाया क्या किसी को तूने? नहीं नचाया नहीं हम लोग ने किसी को. So Mahuli trek doing it 5 rupees. ओके टिकट नहीं निकालना लोनावाला में जाके लोहगढ़ में जाके टिकट नहीं निकालना वो वैसे हम लोग ने माहौली टैक्स किए.
टिकट का पैसा देता था अपन उतना तो था. रेलवे एंड बस वाज नॉट कॉस्टली. द कॉस्टली थिंग इज नॉर्मली इफ यू do it right from the beginning with like you go by jeep, private jeep, that would be costly, but apna train and ye to it was like normal. Pass to था ना.
I remember Schaefer Cash telling me बीच में हम लोगों ने किधर गए थे हम लोग तुम लोग आए थे भी कौन सा ट्रिप पे गए थे?
डाकबेरी या
हाँ. सो कैश ने मेरे को बोला था अरे साले तू आजकल बस वगैरह लेके जाने लगा. मैं बोला हाँ पब्लिक ने तो बस नहीं रखा ना ट्रेन में रखा तो कोई नहीं आता है because they are so used to of traveling from door to door going door to door service so they are so used to तो कोई आता नहीं ट्रैक पे. Am I right people? Like people will say hi.
But the times have changed.
Times have changed, yeah. But I mean, I appreciate the.
That's true, but that's a precaution. That's a precaution we take. If something goes wrong on the mountain, we can immediately have a vehicle with us.
Yeah.
That's the reason I have started implementing that.
Yeah. No, and kudos to the new generation in the group as well. Like they have taken it really forward and hoping that they'll do it more. Both sahi kar rahe hain.
Touch wood that I'm getting people after people who are coming, new people, the people who are coming, and they are kind of truly getting into TT spirit. See, I'll talk about who is that? Is Nagberry LV. So I'm talking about TT. About TT, we actually respect women of the this thing, and we respect everyone's safety, especially women. And on our trek, you must have realized those who haven't trekked with us, and or who have not got a chance yet to trek with us. That for us, woman is a important one because their family leaves them on our trust that nothing will happen to them. So many people are kind of witness to that. So
even in old days when I used to have issues when we had to take the last train, how I'll travel from my home to the station, either you or Cash, one of you guys will have to come home, pick me up and go. Like you literally have to get down at the station, come back, pick me up, again board the train and then go. Otherwise my family wouldn't let me go because it was too risky to go alone on the night with nobody around and stuff.
That's what we didn't even introduce ourselves to families like others. Still, Shefa was the only that time female girl used to come out of a house. And that too in the night, I was surprised. So how much trust her family had on us. So that's what you got married with Cash. Oh, trust क्यों ऐसे? Looks like so उतना trust था उस पे Cash पे कि बाबा ये संभाल पाएगा इसको. So okay, any more questions?
Well, one of the memorable treks before we close out of the session today, the one which we had gone to the Gorakhgad, did the Machindra climb, and the whole area started with the forest fire.
Okay.
And when we came, by the time we got down and came.
Sorry, do you remember after how many attempts we did Machindra?
Yeah.
4 attempts, I think so.
Yeah, 3 or 4.
Because we used to look from there. Okay, Machindra is there. We used to take a turn. Okay, Machindra is there. Okay, we used to do. Okay, Machindra is there. And lastly, we attempted that, and it was a memorable trip.
And we got caught in the forest fire.
Yeah, मस्त तंदूरी मुर्गा होने वाले थे, तंदूरी मुर्गियां होने वाली थी, and we got
पूरा ridge was on fire.
And do you remember how we came skidding and everything, dropping everything?
Dry grass.
And one more memory of Machindragarh. I remember we had gone on a trip before that, attempt before that, and we couldn't climb. The reason was we didn't have any water with us, and we didn't have rope also for the last patch. And there was a small kind of dapki, or the ponds were there with full of kidas and everything, and we filtered that water and we drank. tell me. Sorry.
The other one was when we were climbing down and a dog was walking with us. We pushed the dog aside to get to the water first. And
And Ashu.
The केळ्याचं पान सुकून त्याच्यामध्ये असलेलं पाणी that we had drank because no water.
Ashu jumped on that pond to cover because earlier pond dog had drank because he was also thirsty.
Drink, yeah.
That's what I think. So Ashu's Ashu's favorite story on every trek he tells us. Whenever we go to Gorakhpur, he tells us, "अबे देख वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने पानी पिया था. अबे देख वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ये किया था." That's what the memory. वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने skid किया था. वैसे the stories
that made our immunity stronger, I guess.
Yeah, that's right. For those people who buys like this is a message also for those people who comes on a trek without water bottle and buys a Bisleri, not Bisleri exactly, mineral water. So we are against those kind of practices. Don't buy plastic, don't litter plastic, don't do anything don't litter. Just buying a plastic is easy enough. It's hardly 15-20 bucks. But keeping that plastic, you are bringing that plastic alive in the market. So don't do that. Get your water, replenish yourself with water, drink lot of water on the trek. There's so many things we can follow. And I think so, I'm lucky that not only my leaders, and we can't bring Ashu because he's not connected yet. So that brings us to some kind of thing, which are like kind of we follow safe practice, and my entire crowd, whoever participant comes, they get mixed up with TT very easily. Hardly 2 to 5% people who haven't trekked with us after first trek. People make it a point whenever they want to. Whenever the next trek is announced, people says unless until they have some family or job or something problem. Otherwise, they make it a point to join us. So that comes to like kind of we are going to have a new session. So you can join us on a TT treks. Any more question?
I think Sheetal is asking when we come to Mumbai, which would be the preferred trek?
Any.
Okay. Sorry. No, that's Sheetal. That's this one. That's I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So personally, I love Bhima Shankar.
Oh, sorry. Who is A1 Finger? I'm so sorry. Who's A1 Finger?
Somebody was asking about Neem as well. Share your experience about Neem.
Anybody who wants to continue with the trek at least once, they have to do a mountaineering course. And for the Mumbaikas, the preferred one is always Neem because we have like a close connection with the institution, sort of. Everybody who has in the generation before us who has done it, we had done it, our generation next has done it. So we all have the fond memories of the instructors there, the way, the areas they would take us. Like Draupadi's Danda is the common area.
So she's the first mountaineer from TT group. First mountaineer, yes. First I was first one, but first girl mountaineer. After that, दो ट्रेक दो और लेडी माउंटेन हम लोग से वो लोग ने भी किया PMC, शीतल एंड कांचा. So can you tell us more about those days of Neem, because still we have time. Can you tell us more about Neem of those days and Neem of these days? Yeah, can you please tell us?
Neem of these days anyway. I'm not that much in touch now. Yeah,
huh?
we used to write letters back home.
Letters.
Yeah, okay, I remember a physical letter. Still I have it somewhere. Sending it to my dad. Someone I sent it, and my hand was shaking like kind of वहाँ पे बैठे थे minus degrees में और ऐसे करके लिख रहे थे. क्या लिखा था मेरे को ही पता नहीं क्या लिखा था मैंने. So about all those memories which are coming back. Oh, hi.
And it used to be a happy moment when we used to get mail from home. When the mail distribution time comes and we have something parcel or a mail from home, that is the biggest moment.
Now I can understand those soldiers who are those movie है ना border का संदेश से आते. Absolutely.
We experience it to know, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll suggest to all our like ladies who are there for the mountain, who are young, because there is the age. Why I'm saying young, I don't know why. Because everyone is young by heart. But the thing is that young by age also, because they take age, that age matters over there. 35 or 40. I think I don't know. I don't remember.
I forgot the age limit. I forgot.
Sheetal, what's the age limit? Sheetal. For the name, for name.
But if you even practice to be fit for going there, that fitness level itself is a tremendous effort in itself.
Yeah.
37.
नाही नाही so
37.
काय 35 ने 40 मध्येच ठेवलंय तू शीतल.
no so okay so people are asking more about for the TT name. We won't go in a detail, but we'll tell him about story. Okay, that story we've left out. How did you manage your TT name?
I think we covered. I said that we were climbing in the
Nursery.
Oh, is it you said? Sorry.
And we left the hand, and I left the hand because somebody said, okay, left or right, and I asked him which left, my left or your, and I left both my hands from the rock. So I said,
see, that time we explored many names. So that time we explored many names. We wanted to have mountain goat, and everyone was talking about like today's group. People are giving so exotic names, and we said, okay, fine. It was a casual group, and it wasn't a formal group as such.
Yeah.
We were just group of friends going. We thought we'll have some unusual name. So Taimulan Trekal. There's nothing about there's a history which I'll tell you in personal, but I'll tell you in person. So you can ask me next time. So 42 for AMC and 37 for BMC. ये 37 कहाँ से आ रहे? तू क्या extension दिया क्या सब लोग को? So girls, remember that 37. If you want to go for BMC, go for it because it kind of disciplines your life.
Yeah.
It's not about mountains. It disciplines your life. I remember coming back from Neem and going for that famous Mauli trek you are talking about.
Yeah.
Because of that Neem trek, I could only one torch we had, and we got down from that bloody mountain at 9 or 10 in the night, and looking at one light of the temple, and all of us climbed down with one torch.
Yeah.
So, and that's what made my life kind of discipline. So get discipline in your life because of that. Our Neem ka site, okay, Neem ka site, we'll publish that on this one. Not only Neem. It's not about Neem. It's about your Darjeeling. I don't know their names now because it's
HMI.
A new name they have given.
HMI.
Huh? HMI. No, it's not HMI now. I think so. It's changed.
Oh,
Some leader ka naam they have given. Something I don't remember.
Okay.
So that discipline, yes, because everyone like Cash, Kancha, Sheetal, they will agree on that, right, Sheetal? Yes, discipline in your life. ऐसे नहीं करती है पहले तुम लोग बिंदास कुछ भी करते थे, but the discipline should be there in our ABMAS. Oh, क्या नाम दिया? Atal Bihari Institute of Mountain Adventure Sport. I could figure it out. Yeah, Atal Bihari, I know. तेरे से पहले बोल दिया मैंने, तू टाइप करने पहले. So any more question, guys? We have about 5 minutes left for going out. Yeah, 5-7 minutes left. Any more questions? People who are there.
Along with
Guys.
discipline, it's also persistence. You just kind of keep on doing it. If it doesn't matter, it takes you 1 hour more than the next person. It helped us a lot when we did the Kilotua loop as well. We could see the end of we couldn't see the end of it. We are just going back one mountain over other. We cannot see the end of it. And there is no group with us. We are just going on our own. So it was more, if you have a group, you kind of get the energy from it. But just a few people to go, it's more difficult.
This discussion I'll lead on to my next guest, which is Mir. I think so. He's live. Is he live there? Okay, so I'm going to take Mir on line on Sunday.
Yeah.
So that's a perfect example. Of people getting discipline in their life. I know he's a wild guy. He used to be a wild guy. Still, he's not disciplined. But still, I think so. He's one of the best mountaineer I had. I'm sorry, other guys, but you know my this thing about Mir. So Mir is going to Okay, yeah. So Rajiv is saying that it's good to listen to you both.
Yeah,
Rajiv is saying
I
hi.
saw that.
You remember Rajiv, right? Rajiv Hadare?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, so so me take him, and I'm sure he'll have a hajar memories because as like kind of he came in TT, how he came in TT, and how he's transformed. So I'm going to talk about him not now because this is our session, not now. So we guys keep tuning, keep yourself tuned to TT live channels, a live channel or live platform, and share your stories. I'm talking about your amused, like your different stories with us. And there are people who wants to listen to you, listen to it. And Cash Shifa, can you, if there is any information on Kilimanjaro or that other loop, what you, I can't pronounce it. What's
Kilo
that?
Tua.
Kilo 2, huh? So Ecuador has that also because Ecuador I was trying to go for diving for hammerhead sharks, then dolphins and and whales. So that's my one.
Anyone wants to go there for climbing? The mountain Chimborazo is the closest mountain to the sun. How we have tallest mountain in every region, that is the closest on earth to the sun because it's on the equator.
Oh, is it so?
Yeah,
oh, is it so? That's a nice information.
It's not by height higher than Everest, but it's closest to the sun because of how it is situated near the equator on Earth.
Oh, I was surprised because when you mentioned in one of the chats that it's a 4,000 or 5,000 height, right? 5,500 height.
Yeah.
5,500 meters. I said, how can it become a kind of closest to sun? Oh, this is a story about it.
Yes.
That's a way. Oh, that's a nice thing to know. Okay, this is not Google information, guys. This is actually a horse's mouth. No, these are not horses, but these are horse's mouth.
You can find it in Google also because it is what it is. We didn't made it up, so.
Yeah, that's what. So if you need this kind of information about their treks, about canoeing and everything. So, or if you want to go to, I think so, some girl, I think so from TT had a kind of contacted you for activity like Vicky, I think so. Vicky,
Yeah. They wanted to join.
So she wanted to
trail.
share your archives. Yes, we are going to Maitreya. They are going to share many photographs. Right now, we are in the kind of, we don't want to bombard TT page right now. People will say, "Arey, kya kitna dalte ho, upload karte ho." So they are going to share memories. They are going to share memories, and we are going to post many photographs, many videos. It's a throwback time or whatever the new term is. TBT करके सब लोग बोलते हैं मेरे को पहले दिन समझा TBT क्या है. So this is a throwback time. So they are going to share now. If they start sharing, then we won't have any space on Instagram because we have to take an Insta premium account. So that's the way we are going to do it. So guys, do follow us on TT Insta. Those who have not joined. So thanks a lot, guys, for joining me and making it memorable for me as well and from long distance calls. And this is your work will start right now, right?
Yes,
you are in the morning zone, right?
Thank you for having us.
No, of course. You are most welcome.
Yeah.
You are most welcome. Yes, Sheetal, TikTok. People have joined late, but they can watch us live, TT live session. They can watch us like what we spoke about, and they can join in next session. Sunday, no one is busy, so you can join us. Right? Yeah. So see you guys.
Thanks.
So we'll catch up.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Yes. Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.